This house was a total rebuild, and I was looking for a first-class roof to make it look right. It was in terrible condition. It was totally rotted out in the back in several areas, and some of the valleys had rotted through, and the water was pouring into the building. We were rebuilding the whole thing, so I wanted a roof that would hold up against the elements here on the ocean. We get intense winds here and the nor'easters all winter long. We get wind-driven rain that blows through an awful lot of cracks and crevices, and this is probably the best roof I could put on for this kind of weather. It looks great, and I've had a lot of compliments in the neighborhood, and people have asked me where the roof came from, what the origin was. The noise is not noticeable. Interlock, they knew a lot about how to insulate some of the areas. They came in and re-roofed the subroof before they put on the new material. Friends and family are all pleased with the roof. He even asked the local realtor what it would do to the resale value, and he felt that a roof of this quality and keeping the elements out would have a better effect on the resale value than the original architectural value of the wood roof. I'm very happy with it. The roof itself is one that I'm going to put on the main house because I'm very satisfied with what we did with this one. I would suggest Interlock. It seems to be the answer for the weather and the elements, and it has a good look, makes a good impression, which is important in this neighborhood because the entire neighborhood is in the National Register of Historic Places, and I've had a lot of compliments on what we did to bring the stable back to its original good looks.